Our next speaker is Harsh, a Year 6 student and the deputy head boy of primary, who's fighting against bullying in order to eradicate it. This afternoon, he will share with us his true passion, SpaceX. Please welcome him on stage.
I started SpaceX with an expectation of failure. I strongly believe in these inspiring words by Elon Musk. Greetings, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today, I'm going to be discussing about the topic X. The X can mean many different things. X-ray, X and algebra, but the one thing at the top of my list, it is SpaceX. I wanted to discuss SpaceX today because I think it's a very interesting company and topic. Well, a lot of you will be wondering, what is SpaceX and what its goal is? Well, here's the answer to that question. Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, commonly known as SpaceX, is an American aerospace manufacturer and space transportation services company headquartered in California. It was founded in 2002 by Elon Musk with the goal of reducing space travel costs to enable the colonization beyond our planet, maybe even Mars. People may need to go to Mars to see if life is possible there. Could you imagine life on Mars? It would be very difficult with less oxygen and survival essentials. How many employees does SpaceX roughly have? SpaceX roughly has about 8,000 employees, most of whom are their headquarters in California or its facilities at Cape Canaveral. Some of SpaceX achievements include the first privately funded liquid-propellant rocket to reach orbit, Falcon 1 in 2008, the first private company to launch a rocket into space, and they've also sent a Tesla car into space. How cool is that? I think this is really cool because in a short gap of time, SpaceX has made remarkable achievements. As of now, the Falcon 9 family has flown 86 successful missions with one failure, one partial success, and one vehicle destroyed during a routine test several days prior to a scheduled launch. SpaceX is developing Starship with the goal of launching as many as 100 people at a time to missions to the Moon and Mars. As you know now, the UE has launched its very own satellite using a Japanese rocket from Tagashima Space Center to Mars. This will help SpaceX plan their missions to Mars from the information we'll be getting from the satellites. We will be able to get the information from here, Earth. If I ever join SpaceX, I'll make it do anything for them, like making a Falcon 15 rocket to land on Mercury. This will help us understand the atmosphere of Mercury. Even though SpaceX is already trying to create its very own rocket to land on the surface of Mars, I think it will be better with more understanding and higher technology. Maybe we can create a satellite like the Voyager to explore the solar system. But this would only work if we have a lot of fuel, and a lot of fuel costs a lot of money. So there's lots of things we can do, but there's always an advantage and a disadvantage. Space exploration is a thing which will never stop, because there is no end in space. But if we can at least explore what us humans are capable of, so that we have a better understanding of this vast blackish purple ocean. I would like to thank you for the time you've taken for listening to me. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.